What is oatmeal? Benefits, nutrition, and how to use it. Today, let's talk about oats, one of the most nutritious and underrated foods you can add to your daily diet. What exactly are oats? Oats, scientifically known as Avena sativa, are a type of whole grain. Although they've traditionally been used as animal feed, their rich content of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber makes them an incredibly valuable food for humans too. They have a naturally firm texture, which is why they're often consumed in a ground or rolled form. Oats contain Beta-Glucan, a powerful soluble fiber known for its health benefits. Oatmeal is made by softening oats with water or milk, and then adding fruits, spices, or other natural ingredients. Nutritional value of oats. Just 78 grams of oats provide manganese, 63% of daily value magnesium, 13% iron, 9% phosphorus, 13% zinc, 13% folate, 3%. They also include vitamins B1, B3, B5, B6, plus calcium, potassium, and plenty of dietary fiber. Health benefits of oats. 1. Helps lower cholesterol. The beta-glucan in oats helps reduce LDL, bad cholesterol, which lowers the risk of heart disease and stroke. 2. Stabilizes blood sugar. Oats help slow digestion, preventing spikes in blood sugar. This is especially beneficial for people with insulin resistance or diabetes. 3. Supports heart health. The antioxidants, fiber, and nutrients in oats all work together to protect your heart and keep your blood vessels healthy. 4. Helps with weight management. Because oats digest slowly, they help you feel full for a long time. This reduces snacking and supports healthy weight loss. 5. Improves digestion. Oats are rich in soluble fiber that softens stool, regulates bowel movements, and relieves constipation. 6. May reduce asthma risk in children. Studies show that early oat consumption can help lower the risk of developing childhood asthma. 7. Great for skin. Oats are often used in skincare products because they soothe irritation, reduce itching, and improve skin texture. They also help brighten and even out skin tone. 8. Boosts energy. As a natural source of complex carbohydrates, oats provide long-lasting energy throughout the day. Benefits of oatmeal. Oatmeal contains the same nutrients as whole oats, but is even easier to digest. Its beta-glucan content supports better digestion, lower cholesterol, more stable blood pressure, stronger heart health, feeling full for longer, healthier gut bacteria, reduced risk of childhood asthma. Oatmeal also has a low glycemic load, which means it doesn't spike blood sugar. How to consume oats. You can cook oats in milk or water until they reach a soft, creamy texture. After cooking, add honey or molasses if you want natural sweetness. Top with fruits, chia seeds, nuts, or even dark chocolate. Mix into yogurt for a quick and energizing snack. Oats for skincare. Oats contain minerals like selenium, zinc, copper, and thiamine, which help nourish the skin. They provide natural glow, more balanced skin tone, calming effects on eczema and irritation, reduce dryness. Oat-based face masks are commonly used for brightening and reducing blemishes. Frequently asked questions. What happens if you eat oats every day? Daily oat consumption boosts metabolism, keeps you full longer, and supports weight control. What is the healthiest way to eat oats? Mix oats with milk or yogurt, then add fresh or dried fruit for extra fiber and energy. How much oatmeal can you eat per day? About 8 to 10 tablespoons of cooked oatmeal per day is generally considered enough for most people.